So hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can fast add on your Yubo. To do so, you just have to open up your Yubo app that you downloaded on your Android smartphone, and after opening up your app you just need to go on to the peoples right here, which is on the bottom of your screen. After going on to people, you can see a option for fast add right here on top of your screen. If you simply click on fast add, you will see that this kind of pop-up will appear. From here, you can just select the number of people that you want to fast add, that is up to 100, 200 to 500. Select the amount of people and click on send. But be sure that it will also consume your U-Bucks. Now click on the number of people you want to fast add and click on send, and after that, those amount of people will be fast added on your Yubo account. So guys, that's how you can fast add on Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.